Eventually, this will work.
No pop. No
Okay,
pop.
there's a purple one in the.
It's
Trained
this
for
one.
this.
Is this one in the right?
Yeah, I'm trying to get it.
I got one. Trained for this day.
Okay, I'll scry this up in a second.
Okay, I think I just can go out here and like turn them around now.
Okay. Well, we have Reapers still. And we're back to this. Okay, I just have to assail them. Okay, there we go. Awuga's had enough.
I'll just wait for you to assail them.
Help!
Oh, I almost got dodged.
Oh my god. No. Why?
Did you pop?
No, I just looked outside.
Okay, I'll spawn.
Back to the elevator.
On OBS.
Back to the lab again. Oh man, we might go back to the lab again.
Well,
Yo,
okay, well.
Recording now.
Dude, how many? This is like the fucking fourth time we did this elevator.
Cause eventually, Sisyphus.
One must imagine Sisyphus happy.
Eventually, we are the waves crashing against the mountain.
Look, look, I'm farming throwing knives, which will let me kill the ranged enemies outside. If I turn them to the side, if I stand in the corner here and turn them aside, are they easier to hit?
Like, the real danger is I'm gonna mess up and blow myself up, and that's gonna be that.
Yeah, just don't do that.
Yeah.
Just having to look for opportunities, pretty much.
Yeah.
Okay, I got one. I wonder how much damage this is doing. Probably not very much if I had to
Second
guess.
blockade, by the way.
Can we spawn a second blockade?
I mean, this is a lot of rewards.
Look, I think all the purples are dead.
God, I almost died.
Broken containment?
I can't engage unless I have full toughness. If you want to call this engaging anyway.
Yeah, this is gameplay, bro.
I can't fucking see. There's so many corpses. Okay, how many Reapers are
More
left?
Reapers!
Fuck. Die! 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 I'm out of knives.
Pull yourself up.
Die! 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 I'm out of knives.
Dude, there's more! There's more coming!
Dude, I'm just gonna. Okay, I will run it then. Fuck it. This was a bad idea.
They've got the high ground! There's so many out here. There's so many.
Yeah.
I made a mistake.
Dude, they're fucking dug in, holy shit. I'm gonna go on a flank. Okay. Alright, wait, take it forward, back to the elevator.